Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete WhatsApp group created by me. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well, because it's really quite simple and easy. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your WhatsApp. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is just select the group among your chat section. So let me just scroll down, and then here let me just select this group. Now in order to delete the group, what you need to do is just simply tap on the group name on the top right here, or you can just simply tap on the profile icon as well. On tapping on profile icon here, you'll be sent to your group info. Now in order to delete chat, here what you need to do is just simply scroll down, and then here you'll find the option that says exit group, report group and clear chat. But what you can do is just simply tap on exit group and then tap on exit group once again to confirm. And once you do that, you will no longer be a member in that selected group, and then all you gotta do is just simply tap on delete group right here, and then tap on delete group once again, and then the selected group will be deleted. So that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.